Those of you who've had fresh pasta before know that there's a texture you just can't get from dried pasta. And with 3 ingredients and the Thermomix by your side, it's never been easier. If you have kids around, you can get those little hands in, helping roll out the dough and creating new pasta shapes you never even dreamed of. It's really rewarding and you absolutely can see every step of the process and just get closer to your food. It's super worth it, and let's give it a go. Always split your eggs into a side bowl just in case you drop any eggshells in there, or even if they're just a bit rotten. You never want to take chances because you could ruin the whole dish. So the dough looks crumbly, but it's as it should be. We're going to form it into a ball and leave it to rest now. If you don't have a Thermomat, you'll need to lightly flour your work surface, but make sure that you use the smallest amount of flour possible. We really don't want to change the hydration of the dough. Don't work it too much, you just want to get it into that ball. Now wrap it and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. So now our dough has been resting for 15 minutes, we just want to roll it out. Now we can use a pasta roller, which is going to make it easier, quicker, and more even. But you can also roll it out using the old-fashioned way, and I'm going to show you how. It's really simple, it just takes a lot longer. You are going to have to get your muscles in there, or maybe a little bit of help. When we're rolling out our dough, we just want to split it into 4 and work with only 1/4 at a time, keeping the rest airtight. There you go guys, it's not as thin or as even as if we were using the machine, but it is still going to cook up great. Now I'm going to finish the rest with the pasta machine. There you guys have it, absolutely simple. Now all we have to do is cook it up. So we're going to put a pot of water on the stove, bring it up to boil, pop in a teaspoon of salt per litre of water in there, and then boil these guys for 3 to 4 minutes. Once they're done, pop them out onto a plate and garnish however you like. It's really simple. If you guys are making this, please take some photos, post it on Instagram or Facebook and tag us. We'd love to see what you're up to. Anyway, happy pasta making.